Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing, and I have not done one of these in a while, and I believe it was on my last unboxing of Stitch Fix that people commented they wanted to actually see what the clothes looked like on, and it's kind of out of my comfort zone, but I'm going to do that today. I'm going to try these on and we'll figure out what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to send back. So let's check it out. Let's see what they sent me. Before I open the box, for those not familiar with Stitch Fix, I just want to let you know it is a clothing company, and they will send you a box with 5 items, and you set up a profile online and they match your style, and you keep what you want and you return the rest. You just drop it back in the bag that they include in here and drop it off at the post office, and it is super simple. It's really fun. I love it. I only get it on a quarterly basis now, but you can get it every month. You can get it as often as you like. So this is my quarterly box, so let's check it out. All right, and they send you an envelope. It's got all of the prices. It's got a letter from your stylist, and it has ideas how to wear everything. But I'm gonna wait. I like to see the clothes before I see it written down. And I like to keep the prices a secret for a little while. This first sweater feels just so soft. I wish I could tell you guys, y'all could feel it online, but it is seriously the softest. And it is, looks pretty big though. And this is, I think the brand is Nine Britain, and it's just a shirt, a very super soft shirt. The next item is another blouse by Mix with a tie front. The next item looks like a dress. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, a dress from French Gray. Just a knit dress, very soft. All right, the next item, I actually put on my profile no sweaters, and they often send, I wouldn't say often, but they still send me sweaters. They're by Lady and Me cardigan. And the last item, I love it when they send me jeans, because I wear jeans like every day. So a pair of jeans from Mason and Bell. I will try all of these items on and decide what I want to keep and what I want to return. I will go ahead and take a sneak peek at my letter and the prices before I try them on. Here are the prices. Wow, if I keep everything, you get a 25% discount. So if I keep everything, my order total is $160. So that's not terrible. The most expensive item is the jeans, and those are $58. And there is a styling fee. It's a $20 styling fee. So if you return everything, you're out $20. But if you keep just one item, they apply the $20 to that item. So for instance, if I kept the jeans for $58, then I've already paid $20, so I pay $38 more. So that's how that works. And let me go try it on. Okay, here is the first outfit. It is the bootcut jeans, the green tie front shirt, and this was not included in the box, but I'm also wearing my favorite Rothy's, and I'm gonna put a link to that video about my Rothy's unboxing because I love these shoes, and there's a, I think it's $20 off coupon code on that video as well. But anyways, I digress. This is the first outfit, and the prices. So the jeans are $58, and this Mix by 41 shirt is $44. So this is my first outfit. And here is the cardigan sweater. It is scalloped edges, and I will get the price of this sweater is $46. So this is the sweater. I'll be honest, I am not a cardigan sweater person person normally, so I can already tell you, most likely sending back the sweater. This is the 9 Britain brushed knit shirt that when I opened it up, I loved how soft it was, but it's March and hot weather is right around the corner. And I don't really want to store this for the whole summer, and then probably I won't wear it in the fall. So I am definitely sending this one back. I like it, I just don't love it. The price of this one is $44. So that's just kind of high for something I'm not going to wear for a while. So definitely sending this back, but it is soft and comfy. Here is the French gray dress, and this is $48. And I don't know, I'm not loving this dress. They did say to try it with a cardigan, so let me get the cardigan. So here we go. I feel like Mr. Rogers. All right. So here it is with the cardigan. I'm not so sure about this dress. So probably sending this back. I'm not sure. Leave a comment below. Let me know. Should I keep it or should I send it? It is super comfortable though. Very soft, like the softest dress I've had in a while. So that was everything in this quarter's Stitch Fix box. I'm looking here at the prices, and whew, $160 is a great deal for all of those items, but I'm thinking I'm only going to keep the jeans and that tie shirt, that very first outfit I tried on without the cardigan sweater. That's what I'm thinking that I'm going to keep. And I think I'm gonna send everything else back. But let me know what you think. Leave some comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and I would really love it if you have a Stitch Fix unboxing. Say that 5 times fast. Anyways, a Stitch Fix unboxing. I would love to see it. If you could put the link to your video in the comments below, I would definitely check that out. I love seeing what other people get. And in fact, I was watching one Stitch Fix unboxing, and I loved the dress so much, I asked for that dress in my next box, and it's one of my favorites. So I really do love watching your videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching this one, and just have a great day, and please subscribe.